Right, this is problem number 14. Let me solve, right, what they have given here. 5 by 7, right, 5 by 7 minus, open in bracket, 1 by 2 minus 5 by 14. Right, first we need to go with this operation, then this. Let me go with this. This is what they have given, 1 by 2 minus 5 by 14, right, here. So take LCM 5 by 7. Take a LCM for 2 and 14. The LCM of 2 and 14, right? Both 2 and 14 is multiple of 2. So start with this, right? 2 and 14, right? 2 1s are 2 7s are. Further division is not possible. So the LCM of 2 and 14 is going to be 14. 7 1 to 7 into 2, 14. Right, this will become 14. Right, now simplify it here. Right, 5 by 7 minus, so 14 divided by 2, that is nothing but 7. 7 into 1, 1 into 7, so which is going to give 7 minus 14 1s are 14, so 1 into 5 is 5. Right, so this becomes a 5 by 7 minus, right, 7 minus 5 is going to be 2, right, by 14. Right, further again simplification is possible here. 5 by 7 minus, so 2 1s are 2 7s are. This becomes 1 by 7. Right, now as the denominator is same, right, directly you can subtract or add, add. Here we need to subtract, right? 5 minus 1 is going to be 4. Right, the answer is 4 by 7. Option B is the right one.